water wet?
No.
Then what is it?
Moist?
I think so. I think water's wet, yes.
I would say no.
I mean, it's water. Water is wet. That's like its defining quality.
It's not wet because that is the reaction you get after water touches something. Fire is not burnt.
That doesn't mean you're dry. If you jump in the ocean, you're not dry because water's dry. You're wet because water's wet.
Fire burns things. Ha, I gotcha. I gotcha on that one.
Water wet?
Yes, it is.
Are you sure?
No.
A liquid cannot make itself wet. It can make other things wet though.
If there's no water on the surface, it's not wet. But then if you put water on that surface, it becomes wet. So where the wetness is coming from the water.
When you get in water, you're wet. I feel like that's the simplest answer.
No. No, it's not wet.
I think it's just wet. I mean, it shouldn't really be debatable.
It doesn't make sense. I don't know how to answer it, but it's not wet.
The liquid must be in contact with another substance in order to make that other substance wet.
No,
Yeah, water's wet.
it's not wet. I disagree with that.
Cause like when I wake up, I feel like really dry. Feel like I just woke up, feel tired. So I get in the shower, the wet water hits me, and I just wake up.
It makes things wet. When you touch it, it's wet.
I'm arguing with you. I disagree with it. Water is not wet. It doesn't make sense to me. Water is wet. I don't know.
I don't know how to explain it. It's not wet, but it's also not dry. It's H2O.